Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. I've made all my money from deving meme coins indeed. I am not a LARP. I am actually making this video because I do genuinely make money from deving, and I want to show you how I make all my money from deving, how I launch a coin. Everything will be done in this video with a live example. Let's go. Now here's exactly why devs are making so much money in 2026. It's because of the market. The overall market is made for the devs to win. Every single coin that you see being launched will eventually just go to zero, and for this reason, bro, the devs will make thousands of dollars. When the coin goes to zero, that means that the creator of the coin is selling his entire supply, and he is selling into all the buying pressure. And on the other side, the traders are buying in, hoping for the coin to go up, but it goes down, and they're basically just giving their money to the devs. For this exact reason, I became a dev myself, and now I am the one creating these viral coins, launching them, and then cashing out on all my coins without risking a single penny from my pockets. It costs nothing to create a coin, and that's exactly what makes this strategy so profitable and so insane. You have nothing to lose at all. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to create a viral coin, launch it, and then obviously show you how to cash out live right now. And by the way, bro, I do not claim to be a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor actually. This entire video is for educational purposes only, so do your own research. Let's get straight into it, Cap. Now here's where you have to be making your coins on to maximize the profits on all your launches. Do not fall in the mistake that most people make, and that is launching on Pump.Fun. It is oversaturated, and by launching on Pump.Fun, you are just launching into a dead market because it's over competitive. Most of these coins, they get no buyers and no attention. So what's the point of launching on a market with no attention to buy your meme coin? Well, that's exactly why I launch on a different DEX. I launch on Raydium. By launching on Raydium, I am reaching a bigger audience, more people, and I get more volume in my coins, I get more buyers, and I've tested hundreds of coins, and I find that launching on Raydium is way more profitable. Just like this coin, for example, if I go on the most recent migration, you guys can see that it went absolutely parabolic, and the dev most likely made a couple $1,000s on his coin. No doubt about that. That's exactly why I launch on Raydium. Now to launch here, do not use Pump.Fun, but use memecreate.io. By launching here, your coin will go to Raydium immediately, no questions asked, and that's exactly why people launch here. Now, to make a coin, you could either create a whole new coin from scratch, custom made if you want to. You can also use the completely free X tracker and turn tweets into coins, but I prefer to vamp coins. It's my favorite strategy. I've made all my money from copying trending coins. Basically, every single coin that you see here is going viral on Pump.Fun and is getting some sort of traction on Pump.Fun, which means they have a proven narrative. So we'll be using these narratives, copying a coin here and launching it to Raydium to get buyers on our copy and then make money like that. Alright guys, now it's time to actually dev a coin live and then see how much we can make from this meme coin all live in front of your eyes. Like that you can decide if you want to start deving or not. Anyways, let's go. Click your Phantom White, right? Let me just redo it. And then now let's look for a coin to copy. I love copying coins. It's actually insane. I'm gonna go for the busted coin. Click on copy to Raydium. Ignore the warning, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and the coin will be created, right? Just wait. Just wait. And bang, after that, click on create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we allocate the supply and create the liquidity pool for Raydium. Like that, your coin will go to Raydium right here instead of Pump.Fun. That's why people use this website. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90% allocation. I do that for all my coins. Click on that. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.5 SOL. In between that number is insane and it's perfect. Basically you were buying some supply for yourself as a dev before everyone else. Like that, if the coin gains volume and more attention and more buyers, well, your bags will get more value and then you will make more money as a dev, right? Now click on create pool. Your Phantom will show up. Just wait. ignore the block, bro. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the busted coin is live. Your P&L is going to show up right there. And if you want to see how much you're up, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, we're up $168. That is insane. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, people are buying our coin, and that is proof that our copy was good. Now go on your trading platform of choice to see the chart. And bang, it's live. 1.3k market cap already. Oh my god, so many people are buying in. This is exactly what I mean about deving coins, guys. It's actually insane. Like, it's pumping. We're already up like more than 500 bucks if I had to guess, right? And yeah, guys, I am risking nothing. And look at this, it's pumping so much. I have people in my Discord launching like 20 coins a day, and they're making like fucking 10 to 20k a day. It's actually insane. This is exactly why I love deving. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we pumped a lot. Let's cash out before it goes down. So come back to memecreate.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see here, we're up $2.1 thousand on our meme coin. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up right here. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro! I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin from scratch, all live on camera. I'm the only guy on YouTube doing this. As you guys can see, we made 2.1 thousand, okay? Solana is down a lot, but bro, if you start stacking up that SOL, when it goes back up, you're going to be up a shit ton of money, for example. So I would highly recommend to start deving now. Memecreate.io will be linked down below. And as you guys can see, bro, we made 2.1 thousand. It's all for educational purposes only. And yeah, bro, peace out.